Hello guys, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. Let's start with the recipe. In a large bowl, take 2 tablespoons of grated carrot. So I have taken exactly 1 carrot. Then take 2 tablespoons of grated cucumber. Then chop 1 tomato and add into it. Now add 1 cup of buckwheat flour. This is also known as kutu ka atta. Now I'm adding 3 chopped green chilies or Thai peppers. So guys, when it comes to chilies, please take the quantity as per your preference. Now add in some spices. So here goes half teaspoon cumin seeds. This is optional. Half teaspoon roasted cumin powder. 1/3 teaspoon red chili powder. This is also optional or as per your preference. Then add a combination of some black salt and normal salt as per your taste. Then add 1 heaped tablespoon of yogurt. Simple homemade curd will also do the job. And if you are a vegan, please take any plant-based yogurt and you'll be good to go. Then add water in batches and make a thick batter out of it. Please be careful, don't add too much water at a time. So guys, this is very nutritious gluten-free recipe as the buckwheat's unique combination of nutrients and ability to reduce inflammation is linked to several health benefits including type 2 diabetes, heart diseases and obesity. But if you are an Indian and practice Indian fasting occasionally, this is a perfect recipe for your fasting days as well. Just replace the salt with rock salt and you are good to go. Now take a pan or a griddle or a tawa, whatever available, and grease it properly with some oil. Then pour 1 heaped tablespoon of batter for each pancake. Well, this reminds me of so many other varieties of pancakes recipes as well here on my channel. Just go ahead and do check it out and let me know which one do you like the most. Now add some chopped or grated veggies from the top just like this. Then roast it on both the sides and you're good to go. You can enjoy these pancakes for any meal of the day without any guilt along with your favorite dip by the side. So guys, if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for sure. See you next time with another recipe. Take care. Bye bye.